uri kubica muti.
Well, you know what it is.
Uko biri nawe urabizi.
Usually uncertainty.
Urabizi iyo umugabo yarari ku isoko ahitaza ibintu byinshi bimuvanga ariko hari igihe itafatirwamo n'undi muntu muzima.
Bastards.
Irabira binyendaro bibiri. Ukuntu batuka abantu bandi ariko. Urabona bitishimye.
My friend, you know what?
Akurabizi.
All our experience and with our deep knowledge of
dukurikije experience dufite n'uburyo twagiye duca mu bibazo by'urukundo.
Cannot stay silent.
Ntago tugomba guceceka.
Cheers.
Ntago tugomba guceceka kabisa.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
Mutore ko bangamere ko.
I are tourists. We're Spanish.
Je na mushuti wanjye turabakira rugendo vuye muri Espagne.
Brimming with enthusiasm.
Tubonye couple yanyu kuntu ari nziza yishimye.
Wanted to say congratulations.
Twashaka kubabwira ngo felicitation.
Our wedding gift,
nk'impano y'ubukwe bwanyu.
All we know about love.
Turashaka kubaha ibyo tuzi ku rukundo byose.
Scientific observation.
Dukurikije igihe tumaze tureba tunagenzura urukundo mu buryo bwa gihanga cyangwa se bwa siyansi. Rebe. Bana bari kwitegura gucika.
No.
Charon.
Roy.
Varoy.
Mixing sex and work, it's not a...
Kuvanga ubusambanyi n'akazi nagari ibintu byiza.
Come on, don't you remember that's what you said when we met?
Uribuka ko bwa mbere dora ariko wambwiye.
But this isn't about sex.
Ariko ibi nagari byerekeranye n'ubusambanyi.
That kiss would have had nothing to do with that.
Iyo dusomana kare neza ntago byari kuba bifite aho bihuriye n'ubusambanyi, byari kuba ari urukundo rwa nyarwo. Kandi urabizi.
Because if it was only sex,
iyo biza kuba ari ugusambana,
well then, if all you really...
cyangwa se uza kuba icyo ukeneye ari uko turyamana,
you would have kissed me.
wakabaye wansomye. Ariko ntago wansomye.
My forehead to check my expiration date.
Bivuze ngo wabanje urandebure bigira urukundo rwacu ruzarangirira.
October.
25 z'ukwezi kwa 10 ngo nibwo yatandukanye n'umukunzi wa mbere.
Don't say that.
Byo bivuga.
I'm crazy about you.
Ngiye cyo mvuga nuko nagusariye. Kanyumvira.
It's the moment we met.
Kuva bwa mbere twahura.
Your tattoo.
Kuva nabona tatuwaje yawe.
Anything.
Nabuze icyo nabikoraho naragukunze.
No idea what was going on.
N'ubusinzi n'iki kijya mbere abariko bano bantu menya bagira urukundo we.
Because Berlin asked me not to.
Impamvu ntabikubwiye nuko Berlin yari yambuje gukundana nawe.
I realized you were the one who couldn't.
Ariko nibwo naje kumenya ko ari weho wafashe icyemezo cyo kutankunda kuko ufite ubwoba bw'uko wazongera kubabara nk'uko wababaye imbere.
I'm fucked.
Niyo mpamvu rero bisa nk'inkaho naraburisha.
I arrived late in the story.
Bisa nkaho naje nkererewe mu nkuru y'urukundo rwawe.
And because now you're afraid to take.
Kubera ko ufite ubwoba bwo kuvuga ati umuhungu wa mbere wakubabaje nanjye nzakubabaza. Biragoye ko wapfa kongera kugira umuntu ukunda. Sibyo? Ko bwarafunga.